Okay, so hey y'all, today is a different type of video. I wanted to play in a little bit of makeup. I am not great at makeup at all. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how I play around in makeup to get my natural look that I do every day. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing me try to do this makeup look, okay. So first, I've never done a video like this, so I'm just trying to have the setup close enough so you can see what's going on here. So this is my bare face, no makeup. I have some hyperpigmentation, all that kind of stuff. So I have my mirror right here. I'll be looking back and forth. First thing I start off with is my e.l.f. Poreless Primer, if you can see that. I just put this all over my face because I get greasy quickly. So I'll get my neck, everything. And you guys, I threw this wig on real quick for the video. It is, don't mind the lace and all of that because it's looking crazy. But this is what I prime my face with after I wash, moisturize, all of that. I'll put this on. Next is the Black Opal True Color. This is the foundation that I use. I have the color Suede Mocha. I like this one because it's really full coverage. So it's gonna cover up my hyperpigmentation. I just kind of go in where I need to focus. And then dab. Now you guys, I am not a makeup artist. This is just what I do together. So this is what I put on first to get my hyperpigmentation covered up. And then I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte poreless. And this color is Mocha as well. So that's what I use after. This is how I put this stuff on. Like I said, I am not a professional. So I just kind of dab a little there. Dab a little there. And dab a little there. So that's what I do. And then this brush, I am not too sure. Well, it's the e.l.f. powder brush. It's the flat top brush. So I just go in and I start to buff. I don't really smooth it or anything. I just buff it in. Now guys, if you have any makeup tips, please leave them in the comments below. Because one thing Taylor does not do is makeup. I just do enough to cover up my hyperpigmentation. That's my whole point of me wearing makeup. So I was gonna play around in some concealer and all of that. But honestly, I do not know how to conceal and contour and all of that stuff. I don't know how to do that. So after this is on my face, I usually turn the fan on because it's getting really hot. But my husband likes to have the heat on like 80 degrees. I'm burning up already. Got this ring light going, it's a lot. But okay, so now you got your makeup on. Now I like to go to my eyebrows. I just honestly learned how to do my eyebrows. So I just kind of brush them out. They need to be cut. My mom usually just kind of cleans up my eyebrows for me, but she's not here, so here we go. So I go in with my e.l.f. What is this? It's like a pomade or whatever you want to call it. Like y'all, I don't even know the name of stuff. And then I got this little brush set from Amazon. It's really cute. With the pink and the marble, real cute. Only need a little bit of this because I hate my eyebrows to be super dark. So I just kind of go, can you see? I don't know if you can see. I just start right here. A little bit goes a very long way. Brush that in. And then when you get to the front, just kind of brush a little bit. I don't like them super dark and crazy because my eyebrows are already really thick. So I don't like to do too much. There it is for right now. Then I'll do the next one. This is weird, trying to do this on camera. Knowing I cannot see. Like, y'all, I'm supposed to be wearing glasses because I cannot see out of my, can't see out of this one. Can't see out of my right eye. Like, I am pretty much blind in my right eye. So when I'm trying to like put on lashes or do eye makeup, it's kind of difficult. It's difficult for your girl. So, okay, that's on there. And then I brush it out because I don't want it looking too crazy, you know? So brush that on out. Like, this is the real quick throw on your makeup. This is the Taylor makeup. Now, my mom gave me this Wet n Wild concealer, a cute little cheapie. And then I bought this LA Girl Pro concealer when I was trying to do like the, what is that? The contour and the highlight and all that. Don't know what I'm doing. So I use either or to clean up my eyebrows, and that's all I use these for real. Because if I was to go on here and try to, like, I can't even talk while I'm doing this. If I was to go on here and try to do a highlight and contour, y'all would see me cry on camera. And that's not happening today. Taylor's not about to cry on camera because she messed up her makeup and it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm trying to make a video and I look crazy. So there's that. I didn't put enough, so we're gonna put a little bit more. This one is getting low. This is my go-to. So boom, you got this look going on, okay? If you can see. It's pretty close to what my makeup looks like. It's not super light, so that works. Then I got this fake beauty blender from Amazon. I got like 5 of them for $5. So I just kind of pat that in. Boom. You're cleaned up. It's looking a little bit different. Like, I want to learn how to do makeup to where my face looks totally different. That's what I want to learn. So give me some suggestions, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. So boom, this is what I do every day. This is it. Now I have my setting powder. This is the e.l.f. HD powder. I like a translucent powder. I used to use back in high school like CoverGirl different colored pressed powders, but I don't really like that anymore. So you got your powder there. Hopefully y'all didn't hear the heat in the background because, like I said, we blast that here. So I tap and pat in. Now I love this setting powder because it makes everything kind of just sit there, and I like it. So yeah, you just tap that in. It gives you a nice matte look, and boom, your girl is almost done. So let's put that top back on. Okay, so now you got your eyebrows, you got your face. A lot of people would do lashes. I don't really wear lashes. I don't know how to get them on all the time. I like the way they look, but I just don't have the patience to try to put them on because it never works. So I'll go in with, what is this? It's Avon Eyeliner. I'll just kind of line my lid. My mom sells Avon, so I steal everything out of her. Okay, you guys won't be able to see this because I can't even, like I told you, I can't see out of one eye. So let's hope I do this right. Ooh, and then I start blinking. Ooh, this is about to look crazy. I got this mirror right here and I really can't even still see. Okay, y'all. Usually looks way better than that, but I can't see my line that I'm trying to make. Hold on. Ooh, and I'm blinking. Oh, shoot. Y'all, I didn't mess this up. Guess what? We won't have any liner today because I jacked that up. Anyway, I would put liner on if I could actually see. But then sometimes my moles, I like to make them look a little bit darker. So sometimes I'll go in and just boom. Make those beauty marks a little bit more noticeable. That's what we do. Then I throw on some mascara and we're done. I have this e.l.f. mascara, real affordable. And boom. Throw that on. Okay. Do the next one. I don't put a lot because I always forget I have it on and start rubbing on my eyes. But yeah, that's basically everything I do. Throw on a little bit of lip gloss. I already got my Carmex on. This is just some lip gloss that I made. You're good to go. So that is my basic natural makeup look. Throw the hair out. Okay. And there she is.